In today's DIY tutorial, we're crafting natural paint pigments using simple kitchen ingredients: turmeric, paprika, cocoa, matcha, beetroot, and charcoal. The mixing ratio is simple: 1 part pigment to 1 part binder. Then add water to suit your desired consistency. The pigment behaves much like watercolour. The more water you add, the lighter the hue. However, unlike store-bought paints, it retains a natural, granular texture that adds depth but may take some getting used to. Beetroot gives a soft berry red. It's smooth, rich, and dries into a delicate pink. Paprika, a warm rusty orange. It was the most grainy. Once dry, the colour faded quickly. Turmeric, bold and sunny, but be careful. It stains fingers, clothes, even countertops. Matcha surprised me, a gentle moss green that was easy to mix and create different shades. Cocoa, a warm, earthy brown, smooth and rich with just a touch of water. And charcoal made a dramatic black-grey, perfect for line work and shadows. To test longevity, I made paint dippers, dated them, and will watch how nature holds her colours. A beautiful way to observe organic change over time. This creative activity is ideal for parents, teachers, nature lovers, and anyone looking to explore eco-friendly art practices. These paints are safe, non-toxic, and beautiful in their imperfection, just like nature intended. Perfect for kids' crafts, nature journals, DIY gift tags, or simply painting a sun, a leaf, a swirl. They invite you to slow down and create with care. To finish the artworks, I experimented with layering ink pens over the dried paint. Some worked better than others. The Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pen B delivered the best results, gliding smoothly without damaging the tip and adding fine detail without disturbing the natural pigment beneath. Head over to my blog for the full recipe, step-by-step instructions, and a free downloadable guide to help you get started. Are you based in Singapore? You can pre-order a small batch of these handmade natural paints, perfect for workshops, gifts, or mindful afternoons. Thanks so much for watching. I'm grateful to share this creative journey with you.